Hello. Today I wanted to do a fun and quick video about something we all care about, my press-on nail collection. I have 27 boxes right now, which is the most I've ever had, and I'm gonna go on a no-buy until I use them all up. So I thought this would be the perfect time to show you what I have at the moment. I wonder how long it's gonna take to use them all up, like every single box, given that every box can be used 2 times and they last approximately 2 weeks. There's math in there that I don't feel like doing, so feel free to leave your guesses below. But I usually keep them in a little drawer, and I keep my favorites up out front. I usually reach for those, and then the ones that I haven't used in a long time because my nail preferences have changed just sit there and collect dust. So I think this will really help me just use them all. And then I know once I get them on my fingers, I'll be into it. They'll look fine, but I just don't reach for them in the moment because they're not what I prefer. So I've pulled out my drawer today and laid everything out, and I'm gonna show them in ascending order from favorite to least favorite, just so you guys can get a feel of what I'm liking right now, and then when I get towards the end of the list, you'll see what I liked in the past. So let's get into it. These are my top 5 favorite boxes, and you'll see I have a mix of Dashing Diva and Impress nails, and then there's some just plain Kiss ones thrown into the mix here and there, but mostly Dashing Diva and Impress nails. Right now, my favorites are almond and oval shaped ones that have like a neutrally pinky tone, or some variation of a French tip with white or pink. So that's what I'm really into. And I'm liking the medium to long length. When I first started getting into the longer lengths, I was doing a lot of coffin shaped, but those kind of fell into second place for me now. I really like the almond and the oval. I think they just fit my nail beds better. They look a little smaller and they elongate my fingers perfectly. So that's what I'm into at the moment. I found a couple boxes of Impress nails that have really nice almond and oval shaped, but mostly the Dashing Diva comes through for me in this category because they have the perfect ones. And then I have quite a few boxes of coffin shaped nails that I started buying when I was first getting into the longer lengths, as I said, but now I'm not quite as into the coffin shape, but since I have so many boxes of them, I really want to get through them. But you can see I have a mix of neutrally ones. I have a Bare But Better box I'm actually pretty excited for. They're more of a pinky tone though, but they're still very pretty. And then I have a ton of colorful ones, so I just want to get through those as well, as they're not my most favorite, but they're still all really pretty. And like I said, I know when I get them on my nails and I see them and I'm wearing them, they're gonna look great. And I was even surprised that this Kiss Press-On brand had a coffin French tip variety, so that's why I snagged the box. So I was more surprised because this is like the $5 box you can find at Dollar General, so I was more surprised to see that they had this kind of French tip long length, so that's why I bought it. But like I said, I know when I put it on, it's gonna look nice. Right now, I'm wearing this box of Impress nails. They're the short square length. I like the color. It's just like a light blue and a pretty sparkly white. It's perfect for winter, so I do like this box even though it's shorter. So something like that where I don't prefer the length or the shape. Once it's on the nails, you can't help but fall in love with it. This medium coffin shape from Impress is like a dark burgundy color, and then the accent nail is clear with black roses on it. It's really pretty. I just don't gravitate towards the darker nail colors anymore, but it's still really pretty and I need to use it up. I haven't even opened it. I haven't even used it once yet, so that's gonna get used up preferably this winter because it is a darker color. These 6 boxes are my least favorite boxes in my collection at the moment. They're all the Impress color kind. They're all just one color. Some of them are short and I have 2 that are a medium coffin length. Yeah, I'm just not liking these either bold or dark one colored boxes. But you'll be seeing them in videos to come because I'm gonna use them up. And then if you've seen my recent press-on toenail video, you know of course I have 4 press-on toenail boxes. I just recently tried these. Didn't think they were gonna be any good or that I would like them, but they lasted 2 months on my toes and they're great. I really like the size, shape, everything. I'm definitely going to use them going forward. I didn't know press-on toenails was going to be a thing that I'm into, but hey, here we are. This manicure is probably on its last leg. I'm nearing 2 weeks, so I think once I peel these off, I'm either going to go for the dark burgundy medium coffin shape or this Dashing Diva French tip with the gold tip. The gold tips would be pretty for New Year's Eve, and then these burgundy ones I think just scream winter, so it'll probably be one of these two. So there's my collection, you guys. Is it outrageous? How many boxes do you have at home? What does your collection look like? Let me know in the comments, and until next time, off I go.
Very well, thanks for dropping by. Off you go.